Major industries. Learning about chemical industry, shipbuilding industry, automobile industry, aircraft industry, railway equipment industry, cotton textile industry and jute industry. Chemical industry. Chemical industry is also a basic industry. Its products are used by other industries. Chemicals are used in the manufacture of soaps and detergents, paper, leather, and plastics, etc. Chemical industry produces a variety of goods. Example: dyes, paints, synthetic rubber, synthetic fiber, drugs and pharmaceuticals, cosmetics and perfumes, etc. A great variety of raw material is used in chemical industry. Agricultural crops, vegetable oils, alcohol, minerals like coal, petroleum, natural gas, sulfur, potash, air, etc. are the raw materials for this industry. USA has the largest chemical industry producing a wide range of chemicals. Russia also has a large concentration of chemical industry around Moscow and Leningrad. In Germany, most of the chemical industries are located in the Ruhr Basin. France also has a well-developed chemical industry. France is also a big exporter of chemical products. Chemical industry is widespread all over the world. All European countries have a well-developed chemical industry. Asia, China, Japan, and India have developed many chemical industries. Shipbuilding industry. Shipbuilding is a worldwide industry. This industry is developed where softwood is available. But nowadays, large quantities of steel are also used to build ships. In Europe, very large shipyards have been developed in Rotterdam, Amsterdam, Antwerp, Hamburg, Genoa, Lisbon, Merseyside, Tyneside, Clydeside, and Portsmouth. In North America, the main centers of this industry are New York, Montreal, Chicago, Buffalo, Cleveland, and Toledo. Major shipyards of Japan are located at Tokyo, Yokohama, Kawasaki, Kobe, and Nagasaki. In India, major shipyards are Visakhapatnam, Kolkata, and Mumbai. Automobile industry. The automobile industry has made tremendous improvement in quality and quantity. This industry has been developed over the past 100 years. The world's major car producers are USA, Japan, Germany, and France. Many companies or corporations have emerged with international interests like General Motors and Ford of USA, British Leyland of UK, and Mercedes of Germany, Fiat of Italy, Datsun and Toyota of Japan, etc. In USA, the major car making centers are Detroit, Chicago, and Atlanta. In UK, the main centers are London, Oxford, Coventry, and Birmingham. In Germany, the major car making centers are Berlin and Stuttgart and Düsseldorf. The other important centers are Paris, Moscow, Tokyo, Sydney, and Melbourne. Aircraft industry. The aircraft industry made progress only after the Second World War. The manufacture of aircraft is a capital-intensive industry. The aircraft industry is dependent on a high level of engineering skill. It requires skillful workers. Constant research work is needed for this industry. It also needs huge capital investment. The growth of this industry is dependent on the military demand and the demand from business airlines. Civilian aircrafts for transportation of goods and passengers and military aircrafts for fighting operation are needed. USA is the major manufacturer and exporter of aircrafts in the world, Russia being the other. UK, France, Italy, Canada, Australia, Japan and China are other important manufacturers of aircrafts. In India, aircraft industry is located at Kanpur, Bangalore, Nashik, Lucknow and Koraput. Railway equipment industry. Railway rolling stock industry is largely developed in Europe and North America. This industry manufactures both locomotives powered with steam, diesel or electricity and rolling stock which include coaches, wagons, oil tankers, etc. In USA, the main centers of railway equipment are at Detroit, Chicago, Philadelphia and New York. In UK, the main centers are Glasgow, Derby and Manchester. Russia, Germany and Japan are other important producers of railway equipment. In India, locomotives are manufactured at Chittaranjan, Jamshedpur and Varanasi, while railway coaches are built at Perambur and Kapurthala. Cotton textile industry. Cotton textile is an important agro-based industry. The products of this industry has a worldwide demand. This industry is generally located near the cotton producing areas. Warm and humid climate helps in spinning and weaving. The spinning mills produce yarn, while the weaving mills produce cloth, and the composite mills produce both yarn and the cloth. This industry has given employment to a large number of laborers. Due to development of transport, availability of power supply, and the demand for it, cotton textile industry has spread in many countries of the world. China is an important producer of cotton textile. Local demand in China is quite high due to its dense population. Shanghai, Nanking, Hangzhou and Canton are the main textile centers of China. India is another major producer of cotton textiles. Main centers in India are Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Kanpur, Kolkata, Chennai and Coimbatore. In Japan, Osaka and Nagoya are the main centers of cotton textile industry. In Russia, cotton textile industry has developed around Moscow. New England state, Georgia and North and South Carolina are the major areas of cotton textile industry in USA. Britain, France, Spain, Italy, Egypt and Brazil are some other countries having developed the cotton textile industry. Jute industry. Jute textile industry is an important industry as it produces jute goods which are needed by industrial nations for packing the material. Jute bags, jute cloth, mats, ropes etc. are the important products of this industry. India is the major producer of jute and all the jute industries are located around Hooghly Basin in West Bengal. Bangladesh is another important producer of jute and many jute mills are located there. The jute industry is facing a competition from the synthetic fibers. Summary. Private industries are set up to make profit, while the government-run industries generate employment for the people living around the industries. Livelihood for people is not the main consideration for the location of industries. The factors which come into play for the location of an industry are availability of raw materials, power supply, labor, transport, capital investment, market, and water supply. Some of the major industries of the world are the iron industry, aircraft industry, railway equipment industry, cotton textile industry, and jute textile industry. That is all in this lesson. Keep learning.